Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. In today's video, unbox and craft with me, and let's make this diamond LED frame. I picked up this kit at a local Michaels store, and you can get many different inserts to put inside the frame. The kit comes with everything included, and I love that the kit comes with this unique LED frame. The canvas and the print design is really good quality, and the frame that I chose is actually a white frame. You can also choose a black frame, and they have a little LED lights included in it. All you need to do are add batteries and insert your finished diamond painting, and I'll show you how it looks in the end. I really like the quality of products included and the colors of the diamonds. The designs are so unique, and I've done another make market diamond painting, and I'll link the video below. And all you need to do is look up the numbers, match the correct numbers to the diamonds, and start sticking them down. I particularly love the tray included in the kit because it has this nice nozzle that allows you to pour the diamonds back into the package. It's really neat and handy. I like shaking my tray just to make sure all the diamonds are flat. This butterfly particularly had very cute colors, and I like putting on a show or some music and just doing my diamond painting along with it. What do you guys do while doing your diamond painting? Do you listen to an audiobook, watch a show? Let me know in the comments below. So I bought 3 canvases, a dragonfly, a butterfly, and a mushroom. I did the butterfly, my husband did the dragonfly, my daughter did the mushroom. They all were so quick and easy to finish, and here's how they turned out. Now to put them into the LED frame, I have 3 AAA batteries, and you need to just insert them into the frame. Once you have that, you have this LED light strip, and then you have this clear acrylic sheet. You want to make sure to peel off the protective film on that. The clear acrylic sheet actually goes beneath the LED frame, the LED lights, and then you want to put your diamond painting down, put the backing onto it with the frame in the correct direction. Just make sure you shut everything and your frame is ready. This is such a pretty white frame, and I love how it contrasts against the dragonfly because the dragonfly is all black. And you can press the button on the side and the lights turn on. There are 2 settings. You have a bright and a dimmer setting. I love how this looks. Let me know in the comments what you think about today's project, friends, and thanks so much for crafting with me. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting.